Hey guys, it's Franco. So, I'm in lunch break right now, and I just wondered what's my viewers are doing right now with their investments. So, I started this channel like first week of January 2020, and I highly encourage my friends, my family, and all those who are viewing this channel about investing, because most of my friends are not even doesn't even know how to invest. They just buy stuff like cars or shoes. So right now, no, like Monday, March 9th, the market fell down 7%. The US market fell down. And I'm afraid that my friends or the viewers that I convince to invest are now afraid or now pulling back with their investments. And that's not good. I highly discourage you from doing that, because this is normal. This downfall or decline is normal. It's actually happening every 10 years. But I don't know if this is considered a recession though, so don't quote me on that. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for a recession, or how to prepare in any times like this. And hopefully you learn something from it, okay? And if you really like this, help me subscribe to this channel and like the video, like Graham said, Stephen Graham, if you're watching this, or I'm too small for you, but smash the like button, right? Anyway, let's go on with this. Alright, before we start, I have to specify quite a few points on this. So like I said, last Monday the stock market went down 7%, but that's not the only thing that concerns me. The oil market crashed too, because Saudi Arabia and Russia didn't really agree on something. Then the US Treasury cut down its interest rate to 0.5%. That's why most of your high yield savings account also reduced their interest rate, and that's the reason why. Then obviously the coronavirus fear, the pandemic, everybody's panicking, buying toilet paper. I don't know why so much toilet paper is needed in a virus. And China's slow recovery. I mean, that's our biggest workhorse, China, and they're still recovering, or if not, they're still in the time where they're looking for a cure for their virus. So a lot of people are afraid, and for the few subscribers that I had, I hope this video helped you. This is quite normal, and I want you to be prepared. So first thing you need to do is get your emergency fund ready. I'm not sure if the recession is coming, but I hope not. But if it is, I want you to be ready. And I sound like a broken record every time I make a video. Make your emergency fund first. Develop a 3 to 6 months of income before you invest in anything. I don't know. It, it, it's just gonna make you ready. Then, when you can, increase your source of income. Get a side gig, get a part-time job aside from your full-time job, and put all that into your emergency fund. If not, invest more to the other stocks that are heavily discounted nowadays. Like Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So right now, everybody's in fear. Everybody's like taking out their money from their investment accounts. Don't do that. Be greedy right now that everything is on discount, if you do have the extra income or extra money. Then, third, don't sell your investments. Most of my stocks are blue chips. They're not gonna go away anytime soon. They're not gonna be bankrupt. Apple's not gonna go away. What's my biggest one? Disney's not gonna go away. 3M's not gonna go away. Waste management's not gonna go away. They will go up a year from now. I'm very sure of that. A year and a half from now. And be glad that you still have them. Plus, they do have dividend income. So you're earning while, even if the stock is down. Fourth, contribute in your 401k, or in the military you got a TSP. Be aggressive now, because everything is like I said, on discount. Like for instance, a TSP, go to the common stock because everything is in discount. You're gonna get more out of your TSP. Same with your 401k. Be really aggressive and don't take out anything from your 401k. It's a good time. And then, if you can afford it, you have your own brokerage account, and if not, click this video on my top. If you don't know what a brokerage account is, but buy and hold good companies, good stocks of companies. There are, like I said over and over again, they are on discount. I mean, I don't know what to say more about that. If you got extra money, buy blue chips, and you hold them for a year or two, and you will see the difference. The last one, and probably the most important one, is spend less. Spend less than what you earn. At the moment, I'm using Mint. It's an app that tells you how much you spend and how much you earn, and you just link your accounts, everything that you had an account for in terms of banks and brokerage account and credit cards, and it will do it for you. I used to do it in a spreadsheet, but it's a work, because I'm so detailed that even a penny is I detailed that, so I changed it to Mint. Download the app, or I'll post a link down at my description bar if you don't know the app, but it's a really good app. So I want you to get to a habit to know what's coming in and what's coming out from your bank account. And a lot of my friends does that, and a lot of my friends do spend money that they don't have using their credit cards. So I guess that's it. You just have to be ready. I'm not predicting that's gonna be a recession, but imagine this. Even in my company, my engineering company, the parts are mostly from China, and it's kind of a hard to get the raw materials from China at the moment. And like I said, most of our things, even Apple has a big manufacturing facility in China. Tesla is, you know that, because I have posted a lot of times about Tesla. They have a manufacturing facility in China because labor's cheap there. So it's like a domino effect. So when China, the biggest workhorse we have, is down, everything will go down. Plus the virus itself, the coronavirus, it makes some stupid people be more stupid. I mean, toilet paper. I don't know. I don't know. Most of the Asian countries are maybe laughing at us because they use bidet. But just be wary that a recession might come. We're also due on a recession anyway because it's every 10 years. You guys remember the dot-com era, 2000? There was a market downfall there. And then the 2008 one, and then I don't know if this is considered a recession, but I hope not. I don't want my friends to lose their jobs, not unless they're well prepared. Like I said, your emergency fund. Please get your emergency fund ready. Get side gigs, whatever. I do detailing. I detail cars on summer. I do odd jobs just to get some extra money out of on my bank. And imagine that I'm also in the National Guard and a full-time electrical engineer. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys are ready, and don't sell your stocks, and it's impossible to time the market anyway, so hold it. I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, like it, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty.